What is stress, Lily?
And I think stress is the feeling of like under pressure. Maybe somebody could feel quite anxious or quite concerned or worried about something that they probably do not feel certain about, they do not feel secure about. They
Yeah.
are worried that they cannot do it. I think that's what stress
Yeah.
is.
So there is a demand. Okay. There is some kind of a demand.
Yeah,
This demand affects your physical body, emotional body, no, like mentally, emotionally, everything is getting affected because of this demand. Okay. How
yeah,
your physical body reacts to it. No, how you feel like you're not able to think anything. No, I'm just stressed, so I'm not able to make a clear decision. I'm not able to make a proper decision. Okay. So that's what stress can be defined as our mental, physical, emotional, and behavioral reactions. Some kind of a thing changes that are happening. For what? Towards what? Towards a perceived demand or threat. Somebody is
yeah,
like locking you up and they're just telling like you cannot get out of this place and you feel somewhere
yeah,
lost, some kind of thing. So that time you will be stressed how to get out of this place. Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah,
there's a demand, like you want to get into a college, you have to get good score, get good marks. So that's the demand. Okay, that's the
yeah,
demand. So this
yeah,
demand, what happens is, doesn't let you sleep properly, you're not able to eat properly, or you overeat.
yeah,
Okay, because of stress, some kind of changes that are happening. Yeah,
yeah,
not talking to people, like staying little away from others, don't want to spend time with others because you want to concentrate. Yeah, all these changes that are happening because of the demand. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Next is the fight or flight response.